What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Now coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, shout out to Up Next family, man. We on our way to 26,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. And also, if you are subscribed, make sure you turn on post notifications. Drop a like on the video right now, bruh, just to support the video. You understand? So basically, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to get Cam Newton hairstyle. Here go Cam Newton hairstyle right here. Look, man, what Cam Newton has is basically wicks. Now, wicks, it originated in Florida. Basically, wicks are basically freeform dreads. You see, hold on, I'm about to. Like, you see my dreads, right? My dreads are my dreads started off being maintained. That's why you can just see like 1 dread, 2 dread, 3 dread. Now, if my dread was not maintained, you'll see about 4 or 5 dreads in 1 dread. They call it like a Congo, either a wick or something like that. It's basically a freeform hairstyle. You can either get it freeform or you can get it rubber bands. Like you can use tiny rubber bands. Now, this ain't a rubber band, this like a hair band, whatever you want to call it. You know them tiny little hair bands that you can just buy it, them little tiny little rubber band hair bands you can buy at Dollar Tree or something like that. You can get them for very cheap. It's a certain type that you get. Don't get the too cheap ones, because it can put like the too cheap ones in your head and it can just keep popping off. So make sure that you get the right kind of hairband. I got this hair bow. Now you can have a hair bow too. Now just understand that when you apply this hair bow, your hair is basically going to grow around this hair bow. Your hairs are going to start to lock up. Depending on how long you keep your hair bow on there, or your tiny rubber band, or whatever you have on there, that's giving you time to basically get your hair locked up. My hair is pretty much already locked up. It's not in the wick stage because I haven't no rubber band on my hair and just let it, you know what I'm saying, basically just lock up like this. That's a good way to style your wicks. Either you can style your wicks with a rubber band, or you can just let your wicks just basically freeform. Now freeform, I'm basically letting my hair freeform. This is 1 year and 5 months. So I basically done went either 5 months or more than 5 months without my hair being retwisted. Now understand, right now my hair has not been retwisted in like 3-4 months. You understand? So I got like 2 or 3, 4 months of hair growth up under my hair, like up under my dreads. Actually new growth. So my hair is not even this length. My hair is actually like longer than this length. I can pull on any piece of my hair. You know, you got that one person at school that be like, "Ooh, my hair this long," and they be pulling on like that one long piece of hair they got. I can pull on any amount of hair, and I can show you my hair go way past my eye. You understand? It go down just about to my mouth. You understand? Now look, also, if I ever get my hair retwisted, which I'm thinking not, but if I do, because I'm really just about to go through the freeform stage, but if I do ever get my hair retwisted, now my hair is gonna go down and then it's gonna shrink back up, because you know, when you get your hair twisted, you know, it shrinks up. It's not the original size. If y'all wanna know how to get your hair longer and this and that and the third, quick way to grow your hair, I got like 2 or 3 tutorials out on that right now. So all y'all gotta do is click on my channel and just go watch that video. You understand? The video right here, it's also gonna be in my channel. So it's also on my channel. So click my channel and then go watch all the videos on like my tips on how to grow your hair 2 times faster, this and that and the third. Now we're here for the Cam Newton joke. So look, all you gotta do is put tiny rubber bands on your hair. You just basically grab your hair. If y'all don't know how to tie a hair bow, if y'all don't know how to tie a hair bow, I'll teach y'all in a second, just hold on. But you basically just want to grab like a group of hair that you want to like consider like your wicks. Like this right here, this will be like 1 wick. You understand? So you know how in Cam Newton picture, like he got 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right here. So he basically had, either he basically grew him like freeform, where he just left his hair alone, like he got his hair like dreaded up like 2 or 3 times or whatever, and just left his hair alone. Or he got basically, he had his little tiny rubber band on his hand, right? Put your rubber band on your hand, bring it all the way around, then twist the rubber band. It don't matter what direction. Then bring the rubber band back around your hand, right? Bring it back around your hand, and then just let it go. You understand? And that's how you tie hair bow. Now I understand, like y'all females out there, y'all probably know how to tie hair bows, but I also understand males. Some of the males don't know how to put hair bands on. it's always the couple people I do. What he basically did was he had his little tiny rubber bands. He put one right here, one right here, one right here, and you just keep it on for a certain period of time. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to have your tiny rubber bands on so long that your hair done grew, your hair basically done interlocked, your hair done locked up, you understand? But the hair bows are still in your hair, like the hair bands are still in your hair, so you don't want to do that, alright? So just take the hair, if you feel like your hair is like locking up at a certain period of time, some people hair lock up faster than others, and you know what I'm saying? Some people just do different things, you understand? Like I said, if y'all want to know how to grow your hair faster, click on my channel, and it's all on my channel. Then I upload like a variety of videos. I basically got all types of videos on my channel, so y'all can go check them out. Like, but yeah, man, that's all he basically did. I say, man, it originated in Florida. That's all he basically did, bro. The freeform, the little wicks thing originated in Florida. Some people use, you understand? What else am I talking about? You know? And he just, you know, and some people like some people use products on their wicks or their dreads on their hair, whatever. Some people use products on their hair. Understand? I don't use any products on my hair just because of the fact I understand that dreads, you gotta treat dreads like sponges. Like sponges, like your dreads, they can soak up smoke, they can soak up water very easily. You don't dry your hair out real good with the dreads, like you'll begin to have like white stuff and like mold in your hair, and it just ain't gonna look right. Your whole dreads just not gonna look right, and that's basically you not taking care of your dreads. Now, another thing you can do is wash your dreads, just wash your dreads every 2 months, or hey, at the minimum, wash your dreads every 2 months. You hear me? Because that's kind of pushing it, but at the same time, like, if you get your hair like I did, bro, I got my hair retwisted like every 2 months. You understand? I did not get my hair retwisted every week. No, I have been growing my hair for like a year, 4 to 5 months, right? I've been growing like 4 to 5 months, right? So every 2 months before I hit the year mark, right? Every 2 to 3 months, I'll go get my hair retwisted. But before even then, I grew out my hair for like a year straight. I just grew like a straight afro, right? I grew the straight afro, and then I got my hair twisted. Once I got it twisted, I got my hair retwisted every 2 to 3 months. You understand? So you don't have to get your hair retwisted. See, that's why y'all dreads be looking so ugly and so skinny and so stupid, because, I mean, people dreads, they're gonna look different, but like, give your dreads time to form. Like, you not giving your dreads no thickness. Like, y'all dreads be tiny. Like, to me, bro, I don't like the tiny dread looks. Like, y'all know how people be having like thin dreads? I personally don't like that look. You understand? And honestly, I don't even like the big dreads. Like, nah, like, dreads, they like a good size, because I gave my dreads time to grow. I gave my dreads 2 to 3 months. You know what I'm saying? I did not get my hair retwisted every 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Of course, the stylist gonna tell you, just come back in 2 weeks, and she wash your hair, she retwist it. Like, nah, like, no, bro. And then, like, how much that cost? That cost like the minimum $40. Like, down here, I live in a small city, so that costs like $40 down here. But I'm pretty sure in a big city or Atlanta or something like that, that's gonna run you about $65, $75 minimum. You understand? And most people be charging 100. You understand? Cause like it be a lot of people like that be wanting dreads and this and that and the third. But like, you see me, bro, I done went 2 or 3 months without even a retwist. So I done got like 2 or 3 months, 4 months of new growth at the bottom of my hair. You understand? And that's just right now. And like I told y'all, I might not even get my hair twisted. You understand? So yeah, man, that's that, bro. I taught y'all how to get the Cam Newton hairstyle. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm pretty sure, man, if you're watching this video, you're gonna enjoy my channel. So click on my channel right now. Click on my channel and just look at all the stuff I post. You understand? I post Instagram videos. I post all that type of junk. Also, follow me on all my social medias above. There also will be in the description. There will be links in the description. So all you gotta do is click on the link and boom, it's right there. You hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow all my social medias. Also, all my social medias are in the description down below, and it's a link to each and every social media except for Snapchat. Snapchat, just go in, type in Young 2K Mal, which is on the screen and also in the description. And yeah, man, make sure y'all follow me on all social medias. Click that subscribe button if you're new. Hit that turn on post notifications if you're not new. And also, if you're new, comment down below. Turn on post. Most of y'all need to have on post notifications. You hear me? So turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.